Hello everyone, picture this. There are two Java developers given the same task. One uses the traditional methods using Java 7 and older techniques, while the other uses the power of Java 8 Lambdas and more modern day Java techniques. The Lambda user finishes in less time with a code that's easier to read and maintain, and it gives you a good impression when you give the PRs out for review. Which Java developer would you rather be? There are many developers, especially those with a background in older Java versions, they find lambdas still unfamiliar and uncomfortable and think lambdas are too complex to learn. But the truth is, once you grasp the basic concept, they can be quite straightforward. Together, in this video series, we'll explore the power of lambdas through hands-on coding, and you'll see how to write cleaner, more concise Java code. To get the most out of this tutorial, I would say you should have basic understanding of Java because this is mostly about Java 8. So even if you have worked with Java 7, Java 6, it doesn't matter because I'll be covering the code with hands on and I will show how to write a specific code with lambdas and without lambdas. Here is what I plan to cover in this course. I will be covering some basic understanding of lambdas, what lambdas are, why to use them, when to use them, and we'll see some examples of just like snippets of code, how it is used and how concise the code can be when using lambdas. Then we'll dive deeper into like a lambda syntax, what it is, how to write it, how to understand it. Uh, then there are two main backbone, uh, which are the next steps, I would say, for learning and implementing lambdas. These are called functional interfaces and method references. I say them they are backbone because these are the main concepts that you need to really understand to uh, grasp what really are lambdas and how they are helpful. And then at the last, I would also cover uh, some improvements, I would say, that can be done using lambdas in the collections API. These are also one of the major game changer in uh, how we use collections API. Uh, so like filtering, how to map the elements, how to sort the elements in a easier way. And obviously, we will do this all along by hands-on coding. I will, for each of these topics and sessions that I will gonna record, I will be showing you with and without, so that it's easier for you to go from step by step level and understand how you can actually think. Because this actually, Lambda is a functional interfaces as it says, and it's a different thought process that you have to invoke in this. So without further ado, let's get started.